If you're looking to optimize your e-commerce store management, SuiteDash might be a tool you're considering. But does it actually deliver on its promises? In this quick explainer, I'll walk you through how to use SuiteDash for e-commerce store management, and by the end, I'll share whether it's really the best solution for your business. So let's dive in. SuiteDash is a versatile platform that combines CRM, project management, invoicing, and more all under one roof. It's designed to help businesses manage their workflow more efficiently. Now, if you're running an e-commerce store, you probably need a solid system to handle customer relationships, track orders, and manage tasks. SuiteDash can be an all-in-one solution for that, but is it the best? Let's find out. Next thing, SuiteDash integrates with your e-commerce platform. Whether you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, or other major systems, it syncs easily to help you manage customer data, sales, and communication. You can create automated workflows, so new orders trigger actions like sending invoices, reminders, or shipping updates. This feature can save a lot of time, but one thing to be cautious about is that these automations require a bit of a learning curve to get right. Some users report that it's not as intuitive as it might seem at first. The fourth thing SuiteDash offers is task and project management. As your store grows, you'll need to coordinate with multiple team members. SuiteDash's project management tools help you assign tasks, track progress, and keep things organized. But there's a catch. These tools aren't as comprehensive as you might find in more specialized software like Asana or Trello, which might leave you feeling a bit restricted if your store expands and your team grows. Moving on, SuiteDash also includes a powerful client portal. This is perfect for e-commerce businesses that want to provide a personalized experience for their customers. They can view their orders, track progress, and communicate directly with your team. But it's not always as customizable as some may like. If you need a portal that fits your exact brand's look, you might feel limited in your options. The sixth thing is reporting and analytics. SuiteDash offers basic reporting tools that help you keep track of sales, invoices, and customer activity. However, the data might not be as in-depth or as easy to interpret as other dedicated e-commerce analytics platforms like Shopify Analytics or Google Analytics. If you're someone who loves digging deep into data, you may find SuiteDash's reports a bit lacking. Finally, the customer support. SuiteDash offers decent support with tutorials, FAQs, and chat options. But some users have noted that response times can be slow, especially during busy periods, so keep that in mind when you're relying on support for urgent matters. Now, here's where things get interesting. While SuiteDash does have some solid features for e-commerce management, there are other platforms out there that might serve your store better. These alternatives offer more intuitive integrations with major e-commerce systems, smoother automation workflows, and more detailed reporting that could make managing your store much easier. Through the link in the description, you'll gain access to SuiteDash's exclusive extended free trial. But don't leave yet. I've also included some great alternatives for e-commerce store management that offer free trials and could be a better fit for your business goals. These alternatives focus on improving the areas SuiteDash sometimes falls short on. So check out the link below for the best deal on SuiteDash and get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out. These tools could help take your store to the next level.